Yo, what's happening? I don't know why this. Look. We'll close the door, son. What's going on, y'all, man? We back up in here with another one of them things, man. Huh? Back up in here with one of them things, another one of them things, man. Hey, look, check this out. Y'all know how we do it. Just want to tell y'all I appreciate y'all for being here with me throughout this journey of this car, this channel, my family, everything else that I got going on. Man, come on, man. This journey. Well, yeah. This journey, man, of just everything. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all subscribing. Appreciate y'all being here. Without y'all, I wouldn't have nobody to do this for. Well, I would, but what's the fun in just doing it? You know what I'm saying? Just for keepsakes. I've met a lot of interesting people. I've met a lot of cool people, interesting people, whatever you want to call it. I've met a lot of them. Met a lot of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I can't do nothing but, you know what I'm saying, show love the way y'all show love to me. But anyway, man, we're back up in here. If you don't close that door, yeah, man, so we back up in here. We out here with MayRose. So y'all know I had the issues with the belt jumping off. So I had two shims on here, which were right here. I thought that was gonna be my problem. I took one of them off, gave it a little gas, jumped up. So I was like, all right. So I took the other one off, did it, jumped up. I don't know what it is. I'm not gonna keep chasing this problem. Man, I'm gonna go ahead, call ICT and see this man got his oversized sun jacket. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, man, call ICT, tell them what type of alternator bracket I got, see what they send me. Hopefully they send me something that's sitting up a little, you know what I'm saying, I don't know. But I'm not gonna keep chasing that problem. But for the most part, when this setup gets in the box, it probably will never ever jump up or get a chance to jump up, because their car is not gonna be driven like that at all. Like, it's not. So, yeah, that's where we at with it. Thinking about taking me a little ride, man. I don't know. I wanted to take a ride with the family, man. I wanted to get Ash in the Jeep, get everybody together, man. We just going to ride. You know what I'm saying? Just cut a couple corners or whatever. But I don't know. It done got dark. Waiting on my. Matter of fact, where my phone at? Where my phone at? That's over there. Waiting on my barber to call me, because I'm supposed to be getting my hair cut tonight. So I probably drive to go get my hair cut, and you know, that'll be that on it. But yeah, man. So I've been out here working, man, trying to figure out the problem. I did mess with this idle screw a little bit, because I don't know why. Like, when I started, it just dies. So I messed the idle screw a little bit. See what that does. I don't know. But yeah, this is where we at right now. That's it. Yeah, that's where we at right now. So, y'all bear with me, man, because I'm trying to actually do something with this thing, and it's fighting me. Like, it's real deal fighting me, man. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it together.
Peace.
But yeah, so what I'm about to do now, I guess I'm finna sit here and wait till she get here. I know she ain't trying to do nothing. So I'ma where is this camera constantly jumping over there? I'm right here. You supposed to be face tracking me, buddy. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, I'm sitting in the middle of the garage right now, so she ain't gonna be too fond of that when she get home. So let me move the car, and my mama should be pulling up soon with the girls. So yeah, let me you know what? At this point, I'll just be so happy to take this out of here and go ahead put it in the box so I can start over. Cause I got a lot of new ideas, the way I want to do things. I got a lot of stuff going on, so get this out of here, and just start over, man. Cause right now it's giving me the blues, and I don't like that. Cause I love my car, I like to drive my car, but being limited to drive my car is blowing me right now. Plus it ain't tuned no way, so I still got to get it tuned, cause it ain't tuned. Being I put that bigger style in there, so either I'm gonna tune it before I put it in the box, or I'm gonna tune it when I put it in the box. I don't know how that's gonna work yet, but yeah, we gonna see once I get everything together. So with that being said, man, let me go ahead and do whatever it is I'm finna do right quick, and yeah, I'll hit y'all in a second, man. Yo, yeah, man, we back. Came back, man. We in here watching this. We in here watching this Netflix, man. This Jake Paul fight, man. Well, not the Jake Paul, but yeah, the Jake Paul fight. But we watching the full card. Why I got this headset on my head? We watching the full card. Well, I ain't watching this. I seen that first one, and I'm sitting here like, man, why am I watching this? So. Yeah, man, doing that, and we got hungry, man, so we finna go and grab us a bite right fast as soon as this woman come out the door. Hold on. You going?
You ready?
I waiting on you.
Jordan, we'll be right back, okay?
Close them baby gates. Yeah, so we finna take old MayRose up the road here. Go grab us a bite. And yeah, come on back to the house and finish watching what we watching, man. Old Mike Tyson and Jake Paul. I had never heard of Jake Paul before now. So, yeah, this. What's that? Yeah, this. Never mind. Yeah. So, yeah, let me. I'm gonna hop in this junk, man. Hit y'all in a minute. Boy, y'all know I be on it. Man, look how I'm squatting over here, man. That thing. Ooh. That thing sitting up in there. Lord have mercy. Those things is sitting up in there. Woo, Lord. Yeah, buddy. It's up. Art and Speed in Collierville.
Oh, okay, I think I know that.
It's like a storage.
Okay, so they let you in though?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I walked up in there, son.
Say less.
Then she told me I'm coming there whenever I get ready.
Cause me and my partner we wanted to jump downtown Edge going there.
The Edge. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been there, son, before.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna shoot it after the car, after that though, cause you know.
Right.
Right, though, that's all
I think it's open on Saturday, but I don't know. But I know they close at 5 on weekdays.
Oh yeah. I appreciate that. That's all I want to know. Like, that's how we did, man.
Right. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm.